7th annual Akada Children's Book Festival has again rekindled a reading culture and creativity among young learners. The one-day event brought together children, parents, authors, and educators in a lively celebration of books and storytelling, from engaging reading sessions to creative workshops and author showcases. The festival turned learning into an adventure of imagination and discovery. Each edition continues to strengthen the reading culture among children, showing that when learning is joyful, curiosity and knowledge grow effortlessly.
Children need to have interesting stories to read. It's great that we have lots and lots of textbooks, but we also need to have really good storybooks for children, something that they can read and enjoy, something that can compete with screen time, something that they find as interesting as watching a TV program, for example. So that's why we do the Akada Children's Book Festival. It's to improve access to storybooks for children. It's to give teachers, educators, parents, and carers an idea of the range of storybooks that are available for young children in Nigeria.
Children, they have a lot of imaginations, they have a lot of feelings, emotions, big and small emotions, and the best way to do this is to express themselves. And how best to express it? With paint, with pencils, with crayons, oil pastels, and all these things. When they are able to use all these things to express it, it sort of lifts up their feelings. It helps them. It helps other people see what they're trying to see as well, what they're trying to express, and it just makes them expressive and creative as well.
I think the reading culture can be improved right now. And if I would say one or two things, I'll probably say parents can help children by reading with children. Help children identify the books that they want to read and then buy it for them, and then also read with the children as well. So as they see parents reading and taking interest in reading and learning, they can also start developing interest in it.